what will happen if we share 5 numbers of electronic component. That is, he has to share from the existing production plan, and 4 numbers of non-electronic component he has to share from the existing production plan, and 4 hours of assembly time he has to share from the existing production plan. So how much profit come down? Let us think about that. Production plan, that is how much profit will come down. That is 4 numbers of we are taking the 5 numbers of electronic component. What is the shadow price? So decrease 5 number, profit will come down. How much? 5 into 2. Now non-electronic component 4 numbers, shadow price is 0, so 4 into 0. And assembly time is the 4 hours. The shadow price is 24, so 4 into 24. So I am coming, the impact of the existing profit is coming 106. It means to make this production plan is profitable, we have to realize 106 from the new product. We must have to realize this amount. Then will be the profitable situation. And what is the product cost? Let us see the product cost. Product cost is coming. Unit cost is given. So 7 into 2, that is 7 into 5, and 4 into 5, and 4 into 10, that is the 95. That is the product cost. How much it is coming? 201. Marketing department is telling 175. They are ready to sell this product, but minimum price is coming 201. Then it will be the profitable situation. Otherwise, no. So like that, we can take lot of decision in the operation management. So up to this, I'm discussing this one. Now we can ask any question. Any question, please.
Participants, have you any questions? If yes, then please put on the chat box. If anybody has any question, so no question here.
I have a question.
Please put it on chat box.
Yes, Professor Randeep Kumar Chakravarti, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, so in production, just as you told, some uncertainty is there.
Huh.
So how to take these uncertainties
Actually,
in data, in collecting the data?
particularly in case of uncertainty, we can't solve any uncertainty problem. Now, to solve the uncertainty problem, what we have to do is we have to convert the uncertainty problem to the problem of risk. Why? With the help of our perception. Our perception comes from the historical data. We have to convert this data in the form of a probability distribution. Then we can able to convert an uncertainty problem to the problem of risk. And in case of problem of risk, we can able to solve by the model of expected money value model. We can able to generate. Otherwise, we cannot solve the uncertainty problem.
So uncertainty with the help of probabilistic model.
Probabilistic model, that is called the expected money value conception. That is, we can able to calculate the payoff, and from the payoff, we can able to identify the what will be the my expected money value, and the maximum expected money value will be my decision.
Oh, that's fine. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Any more question from the participants? Any more questions? Okay.
What is the difference between?
I am telling the question. What is the difference between the terms production management and operations management?
Actually, production management previous, it was the conception only on the related to the product only. Nowadays, we are giving the product and services are both. So that's why nowadays the same thing has been changed to the operation management. Previously, they are concentrated only on the product. That's why it is a production management. Purely related to the product oriented, not the service oriented. But operation management is both product and service. It's a broad sense. Previously, it was the narrow sense. That is the conception.
Any more question?
Thank you.
Okay, sir. My sincere thanks and gratitude to Dr. Chakraborty, sir, for his valuable speech. Now, I would like to invite our respected Dean of Academic, Dr. Ashok Kumar Shao, sir, to give vote of thanks.
Sriyasi ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is my great pleasure to convey my sincere thanks to Dr. Ranjit Chakraborty, ex-Dean IMT Ghaziabad, for delivering such a relevant and such a important topic, which is probably required in every walk of life for everybody. How to take decision, that is extremely important for everybody, everywhere, every sector, anywhere. So thanks for selecting such a relevant just topic for the webinar. Thank you, sir. And I would also like to thanks for giving your precious time to our college. So thank you very much, sir. And in future also, we would like to have you in our campus at Barakpur. Your physical presence we will try to have there in campus to enrich by your more sessions to students and our faculty members in future. So once again, thank you very much, sir, for sharing your presentation with us. I would also like to thank the principal of Regent Education Research Foundation, Dr. Mohuga Das, madam, and I would also like to thank the HOD of the EEE department and Professor Sriyasi Sen Gupta also for coordinating all these events. I would also like to thank great effort to have such kind of just webinar for helping us. Thank you, sir. I would also like to thank all faculty members and technical assistants and other staffs of the EEE department. I would also like to thank all other faculty members of the college and other colleges and universities. I would also thanks my dear students for your patience hearing for such an outstanding topic. Thank you very much. Sir, the topic which you discussed today is required in every walk of life. Probably I am also from related with this field, operations research and optimizations, fuzzy mathematics, uncertainty, dealing with uncertainties. So it is very much required as we are dealing with uncertainties, and nowadays dealing with corona is also uncertainties. Lots of model have been prepared and we have seen. So sir, you discussed lots of things today of like operations is a function of marketing, finance, accounting, human resource, and outside supply. Decision analysis. You discussed regarding decision making under uncertainty, which is too much required as I told. State of natures like events that may occur in future. Examples of states of nature: high or low demand for a product, good or bad economic conditions. Decision making under risk, extremely important. Probabilities can be assigned to the occurrence of states of nature in the future. Decision making under uncertainties. Probabilities cannot be assigned to the occurrence of states or nature in future. You also discussed aggregate planning. That's nice. And you also discussed supply chain system, supply chain of a company, which is in a pandemic situation playing very extremely important role, supply chain. Sir, a nice example. I will try to have that model for our future modeling. You presented a linear programming problem (LPP) by case study. Just in a few of the last slides you show us. That is extremely important. How we can model any products by mathematical modeling in such a beautiful way, which will help in all other purpose whether to go with product in market or not. So, sir, you enlightened all of us with your great just knowledge and sharings today. So, once again, I am conveying my sincere thanks from bottom of my heart. Thank you very much, sir. We will have more sessions in the future, and we would like to have you in our campus also. Thank you very much, sir. Over to you, Sirasi ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of our department, I would like to invite our respected senior sir, Mr. Amol Bhattacharya, to deliver the digital memento to Dr. Chakraborty, sir.
Dr.
Sir?
Chakraborty,
Yes.
this is a token of your kind presentation and kind cooperation. Kindly accept. Thank you very much.
Thank
Thank you, sir. Thanks to all. I would like to give thanks to our respected HOD sir, Mr. Suman Kumar De, and obviously to our host, Mr. Mrinmoy Das. Without their cooperation, it is not possible to conduct the webinar properly. I am also thankful to Dr. Chakraborty sir for his informative presentation. Now, Mrinmoy, feedback link. Okay.
Feedback link
Please.
is provided and is available up to 1:30 p.m. Please fill up the feedback link. Hello, madam. Hello, Susie, madam.
Yes.
I provide the feedback link in chat box.
Yes. So we are requesting all the participants to fill up the feedback form, and it is available till 1:30 p.m. Thank you all.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
you.